Hey, what is up guys? Fix It Felix here. Today I wanted to make this video to help you if you have gum stuck in your carpet. It can be your car's carpet or house carpet, truck's carpet. Pretty much this works on any carpet and the results are always on point. So I'm gonna give you an example right now. Hold on. So this is fresh gum. As you can see, I was chewing it right now. So I'm gonna end up putting it here. And oh man, look, it's already stuck there pretty good. Look, let me hit it with a hammer and I put it really inside. So there. So it's there pretty good. Let me try to zoom in. All right, right there. Look, I try to pull it and look, it's already stuck there. So let me go back. Yeah. So the time it's Tuesday, 4:53. I'm gonna let it sit here for a long time, maybe a couple of hours or so, and we're gonna go back to it and I'll show you the process on how to remove it. But I mean, like I said, look, I'm trying to pull it out and it's stuck already. So it's already a mess. Like I said, this works on your car's carpet, any carpet you have, even the house carpet. So all right, again, time is Tuesday, 4:54. I'll give it some time and we come back to it. All right guys, I decided to wait one day. As you can see, the time now is 1:43, Wednesday 25. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving Day. But yeah, this is what we're going to be using to remove the gum. It's a steam cleaner and it comes with all of these attachments. It's very, very good, very useful. So you can see the gum. Let me zoom in. This is how it looks now. It's really stuck there pretty good. So now what you have to do is just remove the most you can with your fingers or with a scraper or anything that you have that you can remove. So okay, so let's say this is the most you can remove by hand, but it don't matter. So let's just throw this gum away. Okay, now we're going to be using the steam cleaner and we're going to be using a brush. This is my brother's brush. He doesn't know that I'm using it, but oh well, whatever. So let's zoom in here a little bit more. And this is what we're going to be using. Because like I said, the steam cleaner, you have to press near the gum and it's gonna kind of like melt it and makes it more easier to remove. So, here we go. Try to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, right there. As you can see, this is not coming out at all. Then you can use the brush and try to remove the most you can. You can see it's already starting to come out. Then you can just pick it up. Look, it's like melting away. And just keep repeating the process. Some more steam. Then again with the brush. This actually smells pretty good. And then using a microfiber cloth, you can keep clean. Okay, now look at that. It looks way better, and it's still wet. That's why you can see that it's a little bit darker, because it's wet because of the steam. But once this dries up, it's gonna look very good. So alright guys, that's it for the video. I'm very happy how this turns out to be. I do clean a lot of cars myself, and I find a lot of gummy stuff or like sticky surfaces, and with this steam cleaner it's always an easy job to remove everything. I highly recommend it. I'll be putting a link down below in my description. If you need to buy it, you can buy it there on Amazon. If you end up buying it, I get a small commission, so you can help me that way. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I highly recommend it. It looks very good, and it makes your job really easy. And like I said, this will work in your car's carpet or inside carpet in the house. Any carpet is good. So alright guys, I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please leave a big like, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video. Peace.